Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Pillsbury cookies. Baking these treats is wonderfully simple, requiring just a few steps and minimal effort. You'll start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 325 degrees if you are using a non-stick cookie sheet. Then, grab your favorite Pillsbury cookie dough and an ungreased baking sheet, preparing for a delightful baking experience. Next, it's time to prepare your cookie dough for baking. If you have a roll of dough, you can spoon it out by tablespoonfuls onto your ungreased baking sheet. For pre-portioned dough, simply place the rounds about 2 inches apart. This spacing is important to allow each cookie enough room to spread and bake evenly, preventing them from merging into one giant cookie. Now, slide your baking sheet into the preheated oven. The baking time typically ranges from about 12 to 15 minutes, but this can vary slightly depending on your specific oven and the type of Pillsbury cookie dough you are using. Keep an eye on them. You'll know they are ready when their edges turn a beautiful golden brown, indicating they are perfectly baked. Once your cookies are baked to perfection, carefully remove the baking sheet from the oven. Let them cool on the sheet for about 1 to 3 minutes. This helps them firm up slightly before moving. Then, gently transfer the warm cookies to a wire rack to finish cooling. Now, they are ready to be enjoyed. Savor the warm, soft, and delicious taste of your homemade Pillsbury cookies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.